Hello guys, and welcome back to another Futurecraft video. And, well, I lost all my stuff. That's right. While digging, I lost everything in lava. So, yeah. Now I can't really go down there unless I have an elytra and some rockets. But to give you an idea, we are really close to being done with this entire thing. If you can see it, there's bedrock down there, and if I go over here, you can see that we are close to being finished with this. So if I just go over here, this should be good. Kinda can tell, not really the best, but we're getting close to being done. So yeah, the worst part is that I died and lost all my stuff, but yeah, I guess that's the update. Kind of disappointed. Now it's raining. Okay. So, yeah, that's kind of just the update. We're almost done. But of course, that's not really the end of this video, so... Oh no, now a skeleton is chasing after me. I need to get back to the base real quick. So, let me say some other stuff we have. So, on the server, we have an Enderman farm on the server now. We've had it for quite a while. I'm actually not going to go over to it because that just took way too long. But we do have an Enderman farm. And let me just get back to the base. Oh, right, go here, save. Alright. So, some other stuff that's happening. Well, right now I am making a tic-tac-toe game. And let me show you what I mean. So right now I am currently making this tic-tac-toe game. Tic-tac-toe game. And you can see I have the inputs ready after some trial and error, if I do so say. It did take quite a bit. Oh, that's not good. Look at that. That needs to be separated. Didn't realize this before, but there's an issue now. Okay, that's not good. Let's see. Maybe that will work. Ooh. That does work. That's good. Alright. Fix the issue. Good. Alright, so as you can see, we have all these inputs. And they're end up going to go into this programming board, or red coder, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to program all of the X's on this one, and then I'm going to make a second one, and I'm going to make all the O's. And then some more complex redstone is going to have to be made after that. There's going to have to be a switching program every time. So let's say a person goes first, they beat X goes up, then it has to switch to an O. It has to go back and forth between the players. And that is probably going to be pretty difficult. And another thing, I might switch this out for buttons instead of levers, just so it looks a bit nicer. And that will also require some more redstone to be done. So overall, this is definitely going to take a while. I've already made a mini version down here, you can see. This version is not complex in the slightest. It is just a mess of wires, as you can see. Mainly just to figure out how to do inputs. As you can see, it works pretty well. But mainly this thing was just built to figure out how to do inputs. Then I built this over here to figure out how to do the display correctly. See, I've made two types of display. This one uses comparators, and this one uses repeaters. So that's pretty darn cool. So yeah. Now, I will say one thing. There is one thing which I don't think I'm going to be able to make on the tic-tac-toe game, and that is the win thing. So the winning part. Because, for instance, if a person gets 3 in a row right here, I have to be able to tell that they won. Now, I might not add that if it gets too difficult, to a point where I just can't add that. So that might just be an if thing if I'm going to add. You also might notice that these are spaced apart by at least 2 blocks. The reason for that is actually displays. So a repeater could go right here, or not here. A repeater could go like right here, for instance, and just light up one. And you can do that on every single bottom one. So, yeah. That's kind of how it would be set up like that. I don't know the exact setup on how it is, but it's a particular setup. It's set up a particular way. Oh, yeah, it's set up this way. I see. So actually, this one would actually be up here instead. Then you can see it activates. Whoa. There we go. Oh, it didn't activate it. Wonder why not. Oh, it's because that's out of its range, of course. Well, anyways, it will look kind of like this in that sense. It needs to be like that. There we go. So that's what it will look like for the setup of making the display. Because the display is probably going to be the hardest thing to actually make. Despite the win thing, that's going to be the ultimate hardest. And then, of course, all the programming needed. So, yeah. As you can see, there are 9 outputs on this because there only needs to be 9 outputs for each individual 9. So, yeah. It's going to be pretty darn difficult. But you know what? It is going to be possible. And that's what I like. I like when it's possible. When it's possible, that's good. And just to give you an idea, all 9 of these can only light up one single square. They can only do that. This entire thing can only do one single square. But I might reconfigure it in a way to where it can light up pretty much every single square. So yeah, it is going to be pretty darn challenging. But I feel like I'll be able to do it. Even though it will most likely take at least a month of full working. So, yeah. I hope you enjoyed, and an update on the tic-tac-toe in Minecraft might be coming soon. And also the update on the hole. So, yeah. I might show some shots of us going into the deep, dark, ancient city. But also my friend uploaded that excursion as well. So you can also watch it on his channel, Shift NT. So yeah, I have it in my channels, so you can just go there and watch the video. But anyways, that's it for me, and well, hold on, let me just get in position, a really good position. Well, that's it for me. Bye.